Hello. We are the crazy people.
That wind's died down. No one to be seen. Jelly bean. Wind breeze is still coming from that way a bit, so we'll check all our surfaces. Look at our rudder. Our rudder's had better days, but I don't use much rudder, so I don't really care. Elevator, aileronus. So we're going to take off that way. We'll see how we go. There we go. That's a big 4,000 cc, 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Really like the old Tundra. That's a new landing gear, designed by me, for me. Righto, let's go. We're away. She flies really nice, this, with the timber prop and the X-Cal motor on it. You can do some fun stuff in the breeze. I wouldn't say it's windy. That's how you bring it to a real sudden stop, and just so you don't go into the dirt there. Nice. Lovely. Took off in about 3 inches of runway. Oh, come on. Come on, old girl. We'll go around and put full flaps on. Come on, go around in the wind. See, this is where the challenge is. I had full sticks going everywhere, but didn't want to do anything. Flaps off. Vertical. That's what I like about this plane, it's just so nice to fly. Over the ditch, through the ditch. That's how you stop, just so you don't keep running on. There's our landing gear going. Good. No issues. Going straight up. That's what I like about the wind. It just hones your skills. Flare up. Come back around, we'll come back down here a bit. Take off take off that way. We'll land this way, eh? We'll come down this way. Touch and go. So something happened there, sudden gust of gravity or wind. So we've put our, okay, so that's come out of there. Okay, so that's us for today.